Angular plus .NET Core Enterprise Architecture. Clean, CQRS, JWT, SignalR, Real PR. Angular plus .NET Core Enterprise Architecture. Clean, CQRS, JWT, SignalR, Real Production Metrics. Mattrx Angular 19 plus .NET 9 110,000 monthly users. P95 latency dropped from 1420 milliseconds to 210. Server error rate fell from 0.8 to 0.05%. Same team. 6 months. The architecture was not the goal. Boundaries were: 4 Angular 19 apps live in an NX monorepo customer SaaS, admin console, marketing site with SSR, and the status page. They sit behind Azure Front Door for TLS, WAF, and global routing. They all hit one ASP.NET Core 9 API running on Linux containers. The API splits into 4 projects. Domain holds pure entities, value objects, and domain events. Application holds the CQRS handlers, DTOs, and validators. Infrastructure holds FCore, Redis, and Hangfire. The outer API project holds minimal APIs, controllers, and SignalR hubs. Dependencies point inwards only. CQRS via MediatR. Commands change state. Queries read. 1 handler per use case. A pipeline behavior adds validation, logging, and metrics in front of every request. The average controller action drops from 230 lines to 6. Auth is JWT 15-minute access tokens plus a 7-day refresh in an HTTP-only cookie. An Angular interceptor refreshes silently in the background on any 401. SignalR uses the same access tokens. Role and claim policies enforce the rest at the endpoint. SignalR replaces hand-rolled WebSocket plumbing. A type CSharp hub talks to the Angular at Microsoft/SignalR client. Redis acts as the backplane, so messages route correctly across multiple API instances behind the load balancer. Redis caches read endpoints with coordinated invalidation. The 18 millisecond cache hit number lives here. Hangfire runs background jobs with idempotency keys, visible queues, retries, and a dashboard. 12 silent failures a week became 0. P95 1420 milliseconds to 210, with cache hits at 18. Server errors 0.8% to 0.05. Test suite 22 minutes to 7. Mobile LCP 4.6 seconds to 1.5. The full deep dive: every project structure, the CQRS pipeline, the JWT flow, and all 14 production metrics read on prep stack. Link is on screen and in the description. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with your team, and leave a comment with your thoughts. And consider subscribing. Your support is what motivates me to keep creating more content like this. Thank you for watching.